Hello students, I am Likun. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today topic about Horn's rule. Before know about Horn's rule, Oba principle is the starting of Horn's rule. So go to my description and know about Oba principle. Comes to Horn's rule. How can we filling electron in subshell? In subshell, not orbital. How can we filling electron in orbital? Not subshell, orbital. So how many subshell present? There are 4 subshell S, P, D, F. S subshell contain 1 orbital, P subshell contain 3 orbital, D subshell contain 5 orbital, and F subshell contain 14 orbital. So students, I forgot a thing. What is that thing? That thing is Friedrich Horn discovered Horn's rule in the year of 1925. Then comes to Horn's rule. So then we calculate the electronic configuration. Do electronic configuration. First electron, first fill up in which subshell, then which subshell, then which subshell. We know now. First 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, then 6s. First electron present in 1s, then 2s, then 2p, 3s, then 3p, 4s, then 3d, 4p, 5s, then 4d, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, then 4s. In this style, we fill up electron in subshell wise. Now we know first which subshell we fill up electron. Then we have to know that which orbital we fill up electron. First electronic configuration rule 1s 2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. In this style we fill up electron. First 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. First I write hydrogen, atomic number 1. Electronic configuration 1s1. I fill up electron this orbital. S subshell contain 1 orbital. For 1 electron is present. This is the orbital diagram, atomic orbital diagram of hydrogen. Then helium, atomic number 2. Electronic configuration 1s2. 1 orbital, 2 electron. Lithium, atomic number 3. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. 2 orbital, 2 electron present. Then for 1 electron present. Then beryllium, atomic number 4. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. Orbital diagram. Then comes boron, atomic number 5. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 1 orbital, p subshell contain 3 orbital. 2 electron present, then 1 electron. I fill up this electron in this subshell. You also fill up that electron in this orbital, not subshell, orbital. Also you fill up electron in this orbital. But we fill up that electron in parallel spin. Parallel spin means first this orbital I fill up electron. Then comes carbon, atomic number 6. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Then in this comes Horn's rule. Horn's rule based upon which Horn's rule? Basically based upon electron pair. How can we pair electron? How can we fill up electron in orbital? Students, now the definition of Horn's rule comes on. Then what is the definition? Definition is electron in a subshell are paired when all the orbital of a subshell is half filled with parallel spin. Means electron in a subshell are paired. Electron pair, when electron is paired, all the orbital of a subshells are half filled. Electron are staying the orbital with half filled, not full filled. First half filled with parallel spin. Parallel spin means in p subshell 2 electron is present in the electronic configuration of carbon. For 2 electron present in p subshell, then first we write 2 electron. This is Horn's rule. Then this is the orbital diagram of carbon. Then nitrogen atomic number 7, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p3, 1s2 2s2 2p3. Then 2 electron present. Then p subshell contain 3 orbital, 1 single electron half filled. This is the orbital diagram of nitrogen. Then oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p4, 2p4, 2 electron present in S, 2 electron present in S, 2 electron present. Then for p subshell 4 electron present, orbital is 3, electron 4. First we write 3 electron, 1 unpaired electron. Then pair this unpaired electron. I write 1 electron in this. Then 5 this. Then 6. Then in case of 4 electron is present in this orbital. Student, in this style we fill up electron in orbital. So this is about Horn's rule. If you gain some idea, gain some knowledge about Horn's rule after watch my video, please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and one share please. Thank you.